This is a 2D design tutorial showing you how to use really common drawing tools. So this white area is your drawing space. Your drawing tools are here on the left. Viewing tools are here on the right, and there are various other options here at the top. So first we've got to check the size of our drawing area. So we do this by clicking Setup, Drawing, and then Layout. This box pops up, so we need to just double check the size of the paper, and we usually work on A3. So A3 landscape, and then click OK. So there are lots of dots on your drawing space. This is your grid, and each dot is 1 centimetre apart. So to lock your drawing tools to your grid, we need to click gridlock. So I'm going to show you how to draw a 50 by 50mm square with curved corners. So first we need to check our gridlock is on, and then we select the line tool. The mouse will change to a cross, so when you move the cross over the grid, you will see the cross snap to each dot. This is an additional check to show you that gridlock is on. So there are various ways to draw the sides of a square. So option 1, we can draw a line by just counting 5 boxes on the grid, because each dot is 10mm apart. So you click the mouse at the beginning and then click again at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a line. The second option, we can double click the line tool and a box will pop up, and then we can enter the length of the line you want to draw in millimeters, and then press OK, and then you click where you want the line to start, and then click when it's orientated the right way. Option 3, you can draw a line any length. So I've completed my square, and then we can edit the excess by using delete between intersection. So click and hold the delete tool and then select the second option. This tool will delete lines between an intersection. So click the side of the line you want to trim. So now we have a square. So I need to now check that this is 50 by 50mm, and I can do that by using dim lines, which is here. So I just like drawing a line, I click the start, click the end, and then drag it out, and then that measurement is in millimeters. So I've checked that my square is 50 by 50, and now I need to make the corners curved. So first I select the circle tool. Again, double check your gridlock's on. So where you click is the center of the circle. So you need to click 1 dot away from the corner, and then click again to finish the circle at the edge of the square. Repeat at each corner. And then we need to select the delete between intersection tool to delete the lines you don't want. So last steps, we can delete the dim lines because we've checked it, we know it's the right size. So we need to select the arrow tool. This tool allows you to highlight and move objects. So currently each line is a separate object, which you can see as each object I'm selecting is pink when I click it. So we need to group these together so I can move the whole square as one. So select the arrow tool, click and drag a box around what you want to group, and then all objects will go pink. And then up at the top here, we choose Edit and Group. And then now, if I hold over the center, I can move my square as one object. And then you can ungroup an object by doing the reverse. So highlighting it, making it pink, edit and ungroup. So here I have my completed 50 by 50mm square with curved corners, where I've used gridlock, line tool, delete between intersection, edit group and dim lines, which are some of the most common tools you'll need to use on 2D design.